Hi, I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online, and today we're going to show you how to remove a small door dent using paintless dent repair techniques. So let's come over, have a look at the dent on this door, and we'll get started. Okay, so I've circled where the dent is on this door, and it's just on this top body line across this Mercedes ML. And if we catch the reflections, you can hopefully just see the dent distorting the reflections there. So using a standard window wedge, we've just opened up the gap between the door outer skin and the glass, and have a glass window protection board this side to protect the glass from any kind of scratches. So as you can see here, we've opened up the gap down below this door dent, which is going to allow us to put a dent repair tool in this gap and gently work out that dent from the inside. Using a lined reflector board helps us see the dent even clearer, and we can determine which part of the dent is low by looking at the distortion in the reflected lines. I'm going to use a standard door hook bar to get inside behind the dent and gently work it out from the inside. And now we have successfully removed the dent. Let's go in and have a closer look. Remember, it's just inside this circle on that body line, and we're trying to pick up the reflections to see for any distortion. For more information on how you can learn paintless dent removal, you can find us online at learnpdronline.com. And remember, if you've enjoyed the video, please do like and share with your friends, family and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.